Let's move on to the next step. And PyCommerce by default is going to leave this blank, and we have to choose some of these options ourselves to further customize our store. So for example, do you want to be published? Yes or no? Maybe you want to run some tests before you actually push out. So the active status or draft, I suggest this one active if it's published and going to show in your store. So when you click on view your store, it shows. So I'm going to put yes. Now you have your tax code. So here is where we put our tax code. I don't have a tax code, so we're going to leave that blank and move on to the weight, and it's going to be pounds, required shipping. Yes, inventory management, let's put Shopify. There's other options, but we don't need them now. Next, tracking, put true. So we have inventory policies, sell when unavailable. So if you don't have any more of those items, you still want to sell those or not, you can choose continue or deny. And the location, so depending on which location you have in your account, I have this test location, this random 56 Johnson Avenue. I'll choose this one. And if we go down, we're going to see we have inventory not yet added. So now in the case you need to make some changes, once you click add inventory changes, this is going to save and you can't change. So if you need to change something, you have to go back, edit, and click next again and redo these drop downs. So I like what I see here. I'm going to add the changes. And if you can see, the arrow went away or a warning. And now we have everything that we need: the inventory manager, cost, location, etc. Next, I'm going to show you how to test products. So let's go to our store and let's go to products, and I'm going to delete what I have here, just again to start with a clean slate. Okay, it's deleted. So now I'm going to go back to PyCommerce and we're going to test one product, just because I want to make sure that everything is okay. Since PyCommerce does have a limit, you want to make sure everything is correct before you hit create all. So let's hit test one to test one product, and it was created successfully. So now let's check our store. Click on products, refresh, and you could see the product is here. Ta-da! The first one with the dummy vendor and inventory stock. Now I'm going to open it and make sure everything is okay. The status is active and the store has everything populated by PyCommerce. See here, it has the categories, the price, quantities, and everything that we need. And now let's push everything out. So I'm going to create all, and we can look up here at the progress. So it refreshes every 5 seconds or so. You'll see the progress. And if we go to the store and refresh, we'll see it's pushing all of these out. So here we go. See that? And if for some reason you decide that you don't want to keep pushing these before you continue, it has 8 so far, you could stop. So I'm going to stop it, and it might take a few, but it'll stop. So I finish with 10, and you'll see we have 10 left. And we have 10 left. Something else great about PyCommerce is when you click create all and leave or refresh, and I might have to do it fast before it does too many, just going to click real fast and go to the last step, and it's going to keep processing. So if you try to click create all again, it won't let you because it's processing the stuff already. So you can only do one process at a time. But you can continue creating more profiles if you need to as it's processing. Now let's move on and let's preview, see what we've done so far. While this is processing, everything looks great. I like it. So let's refresh. We have 19. There may be one left. Looks like it's processing the last one. So let's refresh this and see. And it looks like it did all 20 that we had. Yay. Now let's compare names. The last one was 20 SKU. So now we can just check that they're all right. Go to our online store and we'll see the catalog has all the products populated here. We could see the title and everything else we added. And to keep track of how many products you push, you can view your plan and upgrade and buy more credits as needed. So far I've pushed 40, as you can see. So you could upgrade or buy additional credits as needed. Right here. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.